Today I am making something delicious for Lent. This comes out very delicious and very tasty. It's shrimp, potato, sausage, you name it. Everything's in here. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have this condiment, Old Bay, garlic cloves, onion powder, paprika, little potato, corn on the cobs. I have here bell peppers, red and green, sausage, Italian sausage, and my shrimp. My shrimp has been deveined and cleaned. So I am so ready to put everything together and put it in the oven. So let's get started. Let's prepare this at home for our family. Okay, my friends, I am ready. I have my water already boiling. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. To this, I'm going to add my corn on the cobs, and I'm going to add my small potatoes. We're just going to let them boil for at least 10 minutes. We don't want to leave it more than that, okay? Just 10 minutes, it's enough. Okay, I'm adding everything here. And then I am ready to start with my veggies. I have my bell peppers, a red and a green one. And we're going to go ahead and cut it in about 1-inch pieces. We want everything to be almost the same size. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my green one. The same thing, we're going to cut it in about 1-inch pieces. We want everything to be almost the same size as the shrimp. This comes out so delicious. I love to go to boiling crab to eat this kind of food. And I said, why not? Why not do it here at home? And you guys could even prepare it at home, and it's much cheaper. And you know what you're adding to your dish. I have Italian sausage here. I'm cutting just in circles and then in halves. We want them, look, almost the same size. You see? So when everything starts cooking, everything cooks at the same time. Right now, I'm going to continue with my other piece. Okay, I am done with my Italian sausage. To this, I'm just going to add it here to my plate. And I am going to continue with my garlic cloves. My garlic cloves, I have 3. I'm going to dice them really, really small. We want to make sure that they're very, very small so that they release all the flavor and all the flavor of the garlic. This is done. Okay, I have my pan here, and I have my baking dish, and my bag. This bag is especially for the oven. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it right on the top, and I'm going to start assembling everything. So let's go to the stove. Let's start doing this recipe. Okay, my corn on the cobs are done. They've been cooking for about 10 minutes. This is the time when I'm going to take them out, put them in the bag, take my potatoes out. You want to make sure that your potatoes are still kind of hard. We don't want them that mushy. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out, add them to this bag where I'm going to add everything else into this bag. Look how this looks. It's already looking so beautiful. Okay. I have my pan nice and hot. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter. To this, I'm going to add my garlic cloves, which are very nice and diced. And right when I add my garlic cloves, I'm going to add my Italian sausage. We want the garlic cloves to go ahead, the diced garlic, to release all the flavor. When everything is smelling really delicious, that's when we're going to go ahead and add our bell pepper and our seasoning. I'm adding here my onion powder, paprika, and my Old Bay seasoning. 2 teaspoons. Okay, and we're going to incorporate everything completely, nice and incorporated. When everything is nice and incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add all this to the bag where we have the potatoes and the corn on the cob. This is where I'm going to start adding everything on inside my bag. Okay, let's start adding everything in here. Okay, everything is nice and added. Now I'm going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add my shrimp. My shrimp, I'm not going to cook them all the way. I just want to go ahead and just start mixing them. As soon as the butter melts, then that's the time where we're going to go ahead. If you notice, they're not fully cooked. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the bag. Just like this. Oh, my house smells delicious. Now I am ready, my friends, to start mixing everything, incorporating everything in this bag. Look at this. Look how I shake it up and down to the sides. We want to make sure that everything is nice and coated with all those blends and all the juices of the shrimp. Nice and blended. Okay, I am ready. I'm just going to take the air out of the bag. Want to make sure that we take all the air out, and then we're just going to flip it to the bottom, and it's going to go in the oven 350 for only 20 minutes. Okay, I'm getting it out of the oven. Look at this. I'm going to start opening, and I want you to see how this looks. This really does smell delicious. My friends, I want to show you that this is done. Everything was cooked together. Everything was cooked together in this bag, oven bag. And now I am so ready to start tasting this delicious recipe. So I'll see you back in a little bit, my friends. I am done with my recipe. Look how delicious this looks. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I am going to go ahead and taste it because I just cannot wait anymore. My little potatoes, look at this. Nice and soft. My sausage. This came out amazing, my friends. And with the strawberry lemonade that you already have on my channel, well, perfect. I hope, my friends, that you can prepare this dish at home. This is so delicious. I do not add any pasta or any rice. We just eat it here like this, maybe with just a little piece of toasted bread. But this came out delicious, amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my corn on the cob. Bye-bye.